Here's how to see apps on the Apple Watch. So let me explain it all. If it's your first time here, most definitely become part of the community so you'll never miss anything important. So the most common way to see all apps is just to be on the watch face, which is the first screen of the watch. Then you press the digital rotating button and you will get to this menu where you will see all of your apps in the grid. So you can scroll through it, tap on any app you want to open, and that's essentially it. However, you can also get entirely to the bottom of this grid and switch from the grid mode to the list view. Well, the list view is different in the sense that you have it all in a list, obviously, but it's all sorted alphabetically. So for a lot of people, it's easier to locate their app because you can just scroll through the alphabetical order and find what you need. But me personally, I prefer the grid because in the grid, when I switch to that, I can hold down on the individual app icons and even reorganize it in a way for me to be able to better find the apps whenever I need them, right? So obviously, the most useful or used ones, I put them toward the top or somewhere clearly visible so I have quick access to them. So that's the good thing about the grid view because you can customize it a bit more. However, when it comes to seeing all apps on the Apple Watch, it's also important to see the iPhone and go to the Watch app where all of the apps, even the third-party ones, can be controlled. And it might happen that there are going to be some available apps at the bottom of the list which could be installed on the watch but simply are not just yet, and those should feature the install button. That is in situations where you download an app on the iPhone, but it also features an app for the watch, and if that's the case, you can install it as such and make it appear on the watch itself. So that would give you the full list of available apps just right on the wrist. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.